Okay, I'm recording, no problem. Alright, it's day number 11, the 2nd of February. So this is a video series to keep myself accountable and directed, to keep myself moving and to hit my goals instead of being a lard. So goal number 1 is getting a job. To do that, I'm going to want to I'm going to want to improve my skills, resume, and portfolio, and to that end, by the 23rd, I'd like to have gotten a few certifications. That'll probably just be Security Plus, maybe something in the cloud. And then I'd also like to have coded a few projects, maybe calendar app, super simple habit tracker. But in the meantime, I'm uploading some things to GitHub. I did a LeetCode Hub project today. I think it was like the 4th one. LeetCode hard. Honestly, wasn't that hard. There's like 4 mediums, like LeetCode 5, 6, 7, and 8, that all looked harder than that one. So not sure what that's about. But anyways, didn't study for the Security Plus exam, because I'm a little baby boy, I guess. No actual excuse. But tomorrow I'm honestly kind of itching to just sit down and study. So hopefully I can get some good study sessions in. And I wanted to add a metric of, did I really try? I want to use this time while I'm recording to look myself, uh, basically look in the mirror, but more metaphorically, um, and ask myself if I truly actually tried. Today, I definitely didn't. Pretty unproductive day. It was relaxing. Maybe, perhaps you could argue it was a necessary refueling spot, like going to a gas station. But I definitely could have had a more productive day. Um, Ideally, in the future, to answer the question of did I really try with a yes, I'd like to have studied a certification for 3 to 4 hours a day, done some coding in the form of both an elite code problem and also worked on a project. And I recently learned about Selenium, which is apparently something you can use to automate doing things with a browser, aka I could mass apply to jobs that probably wouldn't hire me just in case they would hire me. And that's Selenium may or may not be contributing to the fact that a lot of jobs get a ton of garbage applications. However, if you can't beat them, join them. That's what I'm gonna do. Maybe we'll see. And then I'd also like to talk about my fitness. Think I've had like 3 rest days in a row. I think I ran like 2 miles Friday. Haven't really done anything um, other than that. And I think there is a lot of benefit to me actually physically exhausting myself. Um, I don't know. I just feel better when I exercise, and I'm pretty sure I don't need a rest day as long as I intersperse things properly. I don't know if intersperse is a word, but um, yeah, as long as I have time to locally have rest, then like for a muscle group, say my back, as long as I give it a day or two off per week, I should be good. And I do climbing, so I'll probably end up doing. I made this sample sample table just to track when I want to do things, and it's climbing Wednesday, Friday, and then back on Tuesday and Saturday. So that'll be 2 rest days for my back per week, and that should be pretty good. We'll see. Um, if I need to tone it down, I think I would prefer to do that um, in intensity, maybe ease up for a couple days and then go hard for the rest of the week for my climbing and back exercises. And um, yeah, I think it's pretty simple. It looks a lot more intimidating, but like most of these extra things are just 2 exercises that I'll do a few sets of at moderate intensity, and it should take like sub 15 minutes, most likely sub 10 minutes. The legs one is kind of long because it's multiple exercises. Knees over toes guy is what KOT guy stands for. He is amazing. But Other than that, like my back exercise will just be some pull-ups in inverted rows, chest will be push-ups, pike push-ups, and core will be L-sits and ab roller things, although I'm pretty bad at those. They're very hard, but I think um, they're core exercises. Haha. Other than that, I think I'm gonna go with this. I'm also gonna try to filter it, or not filter it, but let's say I go climbing tomorrow. I can then come here, do filter color, change it to green if I actually do it. So that's pretty cool. And then I can also clear all of the highlights in the table at the end of the week and get back to it the next week. So this should work for keeping me directed. And then diet version, I honestly don't care what I'm eating. If I'm exercising as much as I want to in the previous slide, then I'll probably lose weight, or at the very least gain muscle, lose fat. Um, uh, Generally, I do want to try to eat healthy, but I feel like I do that pretty well. My one issue might be getting too many sweet tooth cravings, because you can buy 3,000 calories of ice cream for $5 at the store, and it's very easy. And I mean, ice cream is just awesome. So instead, I think when I do get a sweet tooth craving, I should just try to bake something. And baking something involves a little bit of effort. It's much harder to do. Not, I guess it's much harder in the fact that zero effort times infinity is still zero, uh, which would be buying ice cream, and then like a 2 out of 10 on the effort scale is infinitely harder than a 0 out of 10, I suppose. But um, I do like making cheesecakes, brownies, and cinnamon rolls, or not brownies, cookies. I think brownies are kind of mid, but maybe I just need to put like nuts in them or something for better texture. Cinnamon rolls, I'm if you use melted butter and softened butter, you can get a caramelized bottom like a sticky pecan roll, and also get the cinnamon filling. So that could be crazy. I do eat a lot of homemade granola and smoothies, so I honestly probably didn't even need to talk about cinnamon rolls, or cheesecakes, or brownies or cookies. But I really do like sweets, so I will talk about them whenever possible. But yeah, how was today? Like I said, didn't really do much, but I'm feeling pretty revved up for the rest of the week. We'll see if that goes anywhere, but I am gonna force it to go somewhere. I should really stop talking uh in uncertainties when the control is my effort. I should just say that I will put in effort. Yeah. Um, so I gotta talk better. I wonder if that actually has a meaningful psychological impact. Who knows? But anyways, I got a 2.6 on today's Wordle, which is actually hype. I've been getting 5.6s for too long, so it's good to be back. But yeah, I'm revved up. That's it for me today. Take care. Do not subscribe.